Okay, thank you everyone for joining. I don't know if Mr. already told you, but we are going to be going over the membership tab within our program. We have plenty of clients that are already using this feature, and it basically lets them offer courses and general offers and products for. Oh, does someone already have a question?
No, someone just posted on the comment section. You can just continue.
No. But as I was saying, with this feature, you can offer products and services to clients in a very nice, organized setting. Now, what is the membership tab? The membership tab is designed to help you create, manage, and deliver exclusive content, products, or services to paying subscribers. It's a centralized platform for building and running membership-based businesses. So, like, you can create membership plans, establish different tiers of memberships with varying levels of access, pricing, benefits, build membership funnels. This allows you to construct sales funnels specifically for your membership offerings, guiding potential members through the enrollment process. Managing membership content, you can organize and distribute your valuable content, such as videos, ebooks, and courses, to members based on their subscription level. You can also manage your members. It allows you to enable you to oversee your members, track their activity, and interact with them, as well as membership settings. You can customize the overall look and feel of your membership site, configure payment gateways, and manage email notifications as well. Essentially, the membership tab, it provides you a comprehensive toolkit for transforming your business into a subscription-based model and delivering exceptional value to your members. Now that we have the purpose of the membership tab, let's go over the individual tabs within memberships. So first, we'll see the courses dashboard. This is where you manage all your online courses. You can create new course. You can just see the overall opt-ins, the members, sales, and the checkouts that you had in the last 30 days. Next, we have products. Here, you can set the products or services that members can purchase. This includes digital products such as ebooks, downloadable files, software. You can also set physical products such as merchandise and physical goods, services like coaching, consultation, and any other services you might provide, and overall just product variations. In the offers tab, we have deals or packages you can create to bundle products or services together. I'm basically creating discounts, offer percentage, or fixed amount of discounts. Bundle products, combine multiple products into a single offer. Set up sales, down sales, suggest additional products or alternatives during the checkout process. And next we have analytics. This section provides insight into your membership performance. You can track member behavior, analyze sales data, and basically identify trends within your member behavior to optimize your offerings. In the settings tab, we have site details. You can customize the name, description, and logo of your membership site. Custom domains. You can set up your own custom domain on your own membership site, connect your own domain to your membership site for basically a professional look. Email settings, configure email templates, sender information, and email delivery settings, as well as app settings. Manage integrations with third-party apps and services you might be using within your membership courses. By effectively using these features, you can create a robust and engaging membership platform that delivers value to your members and drives revenues for your business. Next, we have the communities group. The OverPower Communities is a feature that allows you to create online communities with your membership platform. Think of it as a space for your members to interact, share knowledge, and connect with each other. Groups within this feature are essentially sub-communities or forums within your overall community, and they are used to organize discussion, segment members, facilitate collaboration. The key features of groups is basically you can create multiple groups based on your needs, customization, customize the appearance and settings of each group, member management, you can control who can join and participate each group, kind of like varying levels of subscriptions. Content sharing, members can share posts, comments, and files within groups. And moderation, you can moderate discussions and manage group members. And certifications, here you can create certificates showing that members have completed a course. All right. Now that we've gone over the general tabs within membership groups, I am going to pass it over to Mustafa, and he'll show you how to actually set up your own uh, membership course. So, Mustafa, do you mind taking it away?
All right. So as you can see, I'm in the memberships of my in the membership tab in my account, and this is the page that opens. It's actually this page that opens up. So within, if you hover your mouse over this, you'll see the other options. Go to the products, and all you need to do is click on create a product. You get two options: either start from scratch or import from Kajabi. Kajabi is a well-known software in which people build their courses, but over here we're just going to start from scratch. All right. When we do that, we get four options. The first option is the sprint course, which is it builds a gateway to memberships. Then we have the marathon course, which is a very long and hectic course. It could be something about training your staff or training your audience regarding something. Then you have a membership course in which you can nurture and mentor your network, or you can just build your own and customize it the way you want. For right now, I'm just going to utilize the sprint course. So I'm going to click on start building. This could be something like CRM knowledge, since we are a SaaS. All right. So this is the option that opens up. As soon as this opens, I'm just going to click on preview to understand what it looks like. Let it just open. Share this tab. All right. So though I don't think the entire screen is showing. All right. So what it does, this is the way that your course will look like for your audience. So they'll have the course contents on the left-hand side. They'll have the number of lessons and how many they've completed, the instructor name, and things like that. They can just click on the any course they want. For example, they click on this one. It will show them what the lesson is about, all the contents within that particular course, and they can just click over here and mark this as complete. All right, moving back. Share this tab. So how to create your own one. The first thing we need to understand is if you click on the product structure, this is where you can add the categories. So you can have something like, let's say, step one, which will be the info, save. And then within each category, you have another plus option in which you click and you can add a lesson or add a subcategory. And you can even add assessments. Assessments would be some sort of a quiz. It could be 3 questions, 30 questions, as much as you want. And based on the assessment, they can move forward or they can just continue on. So I'm just going to add a lesson over here. The title could be something Introduction 101, something straight out of a university class. Save. And once you created your all the courses or all the individual lessons, you can drag their order within the same category, and you can even move them into a different category. So if I just wanted to do this way, I can move the category up as well, and then I'll be going into the individual lesson edit. Over here, I can upload a video if I want them to see something. I can put this into draft mode. I can put this in publish mode. If it's in a draft mode, none of the audience member or the people within the membership would be able to view it. So I need to publish it for them to be able to view this particular course. I can change out the title. I can change out the description. I can add a thumbnail, which is always a good measure to do. And then I can attach a file as well. So it could be a PDF document, it could be a Word document, it could be an Excel document, or whatever you want. I'll click save over here. And I'll go back to the product. So this way, while you're building your own course, you can add videos, you can add pictures, you can add the entire text, whatever you want. And you can even add assessments if you want. You can just click over here to preview it, just to see what it would look like. Share this tab, which I've already shown before. So just to make you understand what it would be like. Share this tab again. Now within the this particular page where we have built in our products, we can also edit the details of this particular one. So instead of saying CRM knowledge, we can say something like CRM knowledge 101. We can add a description to it, so it would be a test description. We can add a product thumbnail, and then we can click on customization. So we can add a heading, which is the instructor. I can change this to say, let's say Mustafa Shahid. I can add my own picture if I want. I can add my instructor name, the title, the bio of myself, the logo images, the favicons. And if I click on advanced, it will give me the option of adding custom coding and the tracking code within the header and the footer. So this is something that you can also look into if that's what you want. Moving on to customization, we have currently there are only 3 templates which are available, and these templates are how it will be shown to the audience. If I click on preview for each, just to show what the difference would be, I'm just waiting for it to load. All right, this one has. So this is one of those. This is the way it's showing right now. 04 lessons completed. The course contents. I can click on it, and then it will show me lessons and start with that. In the second one, if I share this tab, this is the second template. You can change out any details that you want, but this is the way it will be shown. And on the third one will be a very basic one in which it contains your logo, your outline, the course contents, and so on and so forth. So you can build out the one that you want, or you can just use a template in order to fast pace the process. And then when the product is up and running, you can then change out the details that you want. Let's go back. Now, moving on to offers. So now that the product is ready, I can move into the offer section, and then I can create an offer. The offer title would be CRM knowledge with OverPower Marketing. I'm going to select a product, which will be the CRM knowledge. I can make this a free product. I can make this a subscription or like a recurring fee or a one-time fee. Just to show you what the options would be, I can enter an amount, the billing period, which would be the monthly, daily, weekly, yearly, or a custom one. I can include a trial period, number of payments, set of fee, or whatnot. Then I can choose a one-time fee. I can enter the amount. But right now, I'm just going to keep it on free and create it. The reason I'm making an offer is so that I can get the link, and then using this link, we can send this link to the people that we want to get the access for this particular course. Now, this link could be added to your funnels, your emails, whatever you want, so that whenever someone clicks on this link, it will automatically send them an email with the credentials, with the email address and a custom generated, random generated password. So they can just enter that into the client portal and they will get access to this particular course. So regarding that course, I can just add other details over here. I can edit the pricing. I can change, I can make it so that the course starts on a specific date and the access would be for a specific amount of days. So if I'm trying to run an offer, which is only for 30 days, get all my knowledge for free, but it will end for the month of August. I can do that, something of that sort. Or if you're trying to run something on a seasonal basis or an holiday basis, you can just enter the date of that particular holiday or the season start. Things like that, just to create that fear of missing out effect, which is called the FOMO effect. And yeah, if I click on preview, I did not save, I guess. Preview again. All right, this is causing an error at the moment. So I'll be able to show it to you some other time probably. So yeah, This is how you create a product. Always remember that whenever you create a product, you need to attach it with an offer as well. The reason we need to attach it with an offer is so that we can utilize the link that we can share it with people. So that's from my side. Over to you, Koban.
So where you would find that is you want to go to sites, then you want to go to the client portal, and here on the dashboard, this basically lets you have access to links and invites that you want to give to your members. It explains right here was the client portal. Your clients have the ability to log in at any time to the client portal for accessing courses, communities, and overseeing their affiliate payout. And you also have the client portal URL right here that you can copy and paste into any search engine. But yes, manually, this is how you would send out the invite link to your membership courses and offers.
So this is one more thing that I just want to show. It's how to make this entire scenario in this entire process automatic is I'll create a workflow for that particular product that I just created. And we are going to name it send course logins to users. All right. Now I'm going to add a trigger. The trigger could be something, let's say a form has been submitted. This form could be, let's say on a funnel. It could be on, well, it will always be on a landing page, but you can send the form through a funnel, through an email or something like that, or directly a link will be shared. So whenever that particular form, wherever it may be, has been submitted, all we need to do is add just one action over here, which is course grant offer. And over here, I'll just select an offer, which I did not save, I guess. So once you have the offer, which I was saving in the previous one, but it wasn't published, as soon as you publish that, you can just select it and then save this. As soon as you create this particular workflow and publish that, but since it's not something that we want to publish right now, so I'm just going to put it into draft mode. What that will do is whenever a form has been submitted, the person who submits the form will enter their name, their number, their email address. They will receive an email to their email address regarding all the login info for the particular course that we just added in this particular workflow. So yeah, that's just one more thing I wanted to show you, that we can have an automated setup on the back end. So whenever someone does something that you wish for them to do, maybe submit a form, submit a checkout form, something like that, you can grant them the access to a particular offer or to a particular course as you want. So yeah, I think that concludes all the basic steps there are regarding memberships and courses. If there's anything that you need to ask, you can just ask us.
And also to expand on that, if you have any questions or you would like to see a certain topic covered in these workshop meetings, and you just want to, or just schedule a private meeting, please note that on your OverPower sub account, you can submit a request here on the Submit Request tab and basically fill out what topic you are wanting to go over, and we can help you out whatever specific situation that you might have, what workflows that you want to create. We can help you do that by either scheduling a meeting with us directly or going into this tab and filling this out. So, but yeah, are there any questions regarding this meeting?
If no one has any question, I just wanted to start. I just wanted to ask a question from either Christina or Forte. And the question is that, what do you think that within your companies, your agencies, do you think that setting up courses would be beneficial? Because these courses aren't just meant for people that could be your clients or your prospect clients. It could be within your internal team as well. So for example, if you have someone within your team and you want them to be trained on the software, or you want them to be trained on the way that the business is being run, you can set up the course and then you can monitor their activities, whether the course has been completed or not. So multiple ways these courses are being used.
Yeah, so depending on what direction TNT continues to go and grow, I see that it would be beneficial for future employees to train on different things that we use in the office and different formats we use for clients being buyers or sellers. So for that aspect, yes. As far as a buyer or selling needing to use what y'all just introduced, I don't see it as so much of a need. Other than if we were to have a seller, that would be a neat way to introduce to them, this is us and this is what we need from you to list you. So
What
I guess it
about,
would be the approach.
yeah, that would be a good approach for the internal team. But what about if you were to set up a community like a Facebook group individually for sellers and individually for buyers? Would that be something that you think would be beneficial?
Not for us. Our sellers require and appreciate our level of confidentiality.
Um,
And you're not going to see a big Facebook or other than like a true SEO Google search type thing, you're not going to really see us post on Facebook because of the confidentiality.
yeah, now it makes perfect sense.
And
What about you, Forte?
I was going to say, kind of same over here. A lot of our clients are competition with each other, so they're not the one being at each other.
But what about the courses?
Internally though, I did see the benefit internally of monitoring who's actually going in and doing software services, yeah, and building groups internally. Talk about, hey, I came to my cell phone messed up, help, stuff like that. Yeah, I see the benefit of that for internal use, but external, not this.
Yeah, and Oren has an amazing suggestion as well. You can use it for Flagger certifications.
Yeah, see that we got something with see that we would send a PDF to them. They have a very strategic, strict protocol that they follow. That's possible. That's not my purview, so I wouldn't know that.
Yeah, and it could be not exactly a substitute for now, but in the future probably for Libermats University, so that you can give out certificates whenever someone has completed a course. But if that course is a digital course, if it's a physical course, obviously it can't be replaced. But if it's a digital course, something that they can complete by watching videos, taking the assessments, like solving the quizzes and all of that, and if they have like a percentage of score, maybe 80%, 90%, something of that sort, they'll be awarded a certificate. Something like that could be set up.
Okay.
Do you think that would be some sort of a thing that is applicable to your side of the business?
I can see possibility.
Yeah, probably in the future, huh? Yeah, it's something that we can look into afterwards as well.
Before we go off this, though, I do have a question about our account, but after.
All right, so after the meeting, we can just stay here and then you can ask a question. If it's something about the courses and memberships, you can ask right now. Any questions from you, Christina, regarding courses and membership?
No, y'all did good in going through that one. I think it'll be a great addition for the right company.
Absolutely. Whenever you feel the need to establish that or make that, you can just reach out to me or Oren or Cohen or all of us, and we can get down for the brainstorming so we can come up on how to make it, what to make, and how to set it all up.
UTL.
All right. Then this would conclude the meeting. Thank you all for being here, and I hope to see you all next week as well.